Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. And if you ever had to draw a shield or even maybe an interstate sign that looks like this, you're going to be a little upset with how easy this could be. Just draw an ellipse, doesn't matter what size. Hit the plus key on your keyboard while holding down your control button. Snap it to that grid. Select them both, hit the plus key on your keyboard while holding down the control button, and you can see right there is our shield or our state sign. And you can change it, you can make it longer by still hold down your control button, so you can make completely different shapes with it. It's symmetrical, it's perfect, and then you can make it whatever size you want it to and do whatever you want to with it. Anyway, hope that little bit of info helped, and thank you for watching.